Good morning, my dear students. As we were studying basic accounting terms, which we have gone through, today I will discuss with you liability. Liability means to say the firm owes to outsider. Suppose I took a bank loan, so it's my liability. I took a loan from my friend, it's a liability. So whatever I have to pay to others, that is my liability. To calculate liability, you may learn the formula liability is equal to assets minus capital. Assets, whatever which belongs to you, that is your assets. We discussed earlier, like your land, building, machinery, furniture, cash, these all are your assets. Capital we have also discussed. Whatever the amount we invest to start the business is our capital. So if we subtract capital out of assets, what we get? Liability. Liabilities of two types, internal liability and this is external liability. Internal liability means which belongs to business, like our capital which we invest, our accumulated profit. Accumulated profit means the profit which is accumulated, means collected during the last years. External liability means this is creditors. Creditors means which we have to pay to others. Our bank overdraft. This is bank overdraft. So this is our liability. Our liabilities of three types. The very first is long-term liability, current liability, contingent liability. Long-term liability means to say bank loan which is taken for long term, for 5 years, 10 years, like that. Debenture, it is also a sort of loan, we'll discuss later on. So these are for long term. Now we come to current liability. Current liability means to say which belongs to the current year, which we have to pay within 1 year, means bank overdraft, bills payable. Usually these we have to pay within 1 year. Then we go for contingent liability. Contingent liability means only on the happening of some specific event. Specific event means to say suppose bills receivable. If bill dishonored, so that becomes a contingent liability. We are having a case in the court. If we lost the case for some compensation, that becomes our contingent liability. So please do write it. Thank you.